guys.
Hi.
How's it going? So we've made our way down to Cascade Creek on our way to Milford Sound.
So we drove from Queenstown. I think it may have taken us possibly 3.5 hours with a little bit of stop once we came down this Milford Road. There's a few nice little photo opportunities and nice stops. Nice spots to stop. But this is the last campsite before the actual ferries where they take off, so it's quite busy, and the main inside part of the campsite is just like a car park with numbered bays. People are parking in a bay. There's a really nice stream. I'm sure you can see it behind us and possibly hear it. So we managed to find a nice little spot parked up next to the stream. So it is really pretty, beautiful mountains around us. The clouds are starting to roll in. So we're just going to enjoy the last little bit of light before we have to bunker down into the van and it gets too cold. Having our lovely bottle of Pinot Gris that we got from Wet Jacket Winery, and that lovely cheddar cheese that we're going to tuck into after a day of driving. Well, Simon's driving.
Yeah, I did do a little bit of driving today, that's for sure. But I think I want to point out just how beautiful it is. Like the further the further south we came, this is how much I know the geography of this lovely country. The further south we've come, the more beautiful it is, the more colder it is as well. But I've stopped off a few times, taken a few nice photos along the way, like breathtaking scenery the likes of which I've never seen. I think probably important before we wrap this up and enjoy our lovely cheese platter is that pretty much can't fly a drone in a lot of places here, so you have to do your research. Like I did a bit of research online, thought it was all good, but really you have to dig deep. My advice would be to go onto the Department of Conservation New Zealand website and pop into the information centres that they have here, and they can tell you what you can and can't do with your drone, and it's pretty much what you can't do with your drone.
Well, you have to get a permit, and then you can only fly in a certain area, isn't it? Just like $50 for a very select area of the national park.
Yeah, so they're pretty much, from what I've gathered, you can't fly anywhere in any national park at all, or any property of the DOC, unless you buy a $50 permit, which I guess is only for the day. And then you can fly it for that day in that specific area, which is great if you've got money to burn, but we don't. So the drone footage might be quite limited around this way. We found a few spots where there's been no signs and it's not DOC property, so as far as we're aware we've been doing it right. But yeah, it pays to do it right. We're here right now. We've picked a lovely spot, but if you look this way, it's like a car park. It's like a festival car park. So everyone's getting ready just to sleep off tonight and
race to the ferries.
Race to the ferries tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, we both talked enough. Our wine is getting even colder, which is nice. And we're getting cold as well.
Yeah, and hungry.
So we're going to sign out.
Ciao.
See ya. Milford Sound! We have made our way to Maui.
Lake Monowai. Now you've got me confused.
Monowai.
Monowai.
Okay,
Monowai.
Good morning.
Morning.
We have made our way to Lake Monowai. I got it first time.
Sure you did.
And this isn't a second take or anything. I didn't have to ask Vauneta what place
Not
we
at
were.
all.
But we've had some adventures this morning. It was very cold. It was very cold indeed. Lots of mist around. But the sun came up eventually, cleared that all away, and left us with a van that was flat. This is the second van from Lucky camper van rentals that we've hired. So we had a bit of a look at the battery because I've got a little bit of minuscule amount of mechanical knowledge, and the battery says it's good and it looks quite new, so perhaps it's the alternator. So currently we're having to leave it running in the car park, having bothered pretty much most of the campers here at this lovely spot.
They're all very nice and friendly though. They don't seem to
Everyone's been
mind
very
being
helpful.
bothered.
Yeah, we made some friends really.
Yeah, I met a nice, lovely retired couple, Andy and Viv, travelling around the North Island, about to do the root burn track. They're from the North Island, around Waitomo Cave Country area. Yeah, so they were very lovely and helpful, and hopefully we might see them again in Manapori. And a few others.
Mike was the guy kind enough to give us a lift in his ute to come down to the main campsite that was full and ask if anyone had any jumper leads. Luckily, these friendly ladies, I'm guessing from maybe chicks, friendly chicks,
They're the chicks.
had jumper leads, which we were able to
Brand new out of a
use.
packet by the looks too.
Wasn't it? And so I think Viv and Andy have told us about this tiny little walk that we're going to go on. Sent the drone up last night, and I'll probably send it up again today because it's just so lovely. It's really warm. So whenever you're in New Zealand, remember that the sun is super hot. It burns really quickly. So
Slip, slop, slap.
slip, slop, slap. Hence glasses, hat, and suntan lotion. All right. Well, we waffled on. Obviously, you can see all that rather nice lake there. That's what we're going to go and investigate. If it's any good, we'll let you know.
I just flew the drone over the lake, and I think you might think it's great.